Today, we're diving into the future of foldable smartphones with a detailed look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. We've gathered all the latest leaks and rumors to bring you a complete preview of what Samsung might be planning for its next generation foldable. As a pioneer in the foldable space, Samsung is expected to make major strides with the Z Fold 7, which could be its most ambitious release yet. According to sources like Phone Arena, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be announced in July 2025 during Samsung's annual Galaxy Unpacked event, following the company's usual summer launch schedule. In terms of pricing, Samsung seems to be sticking with its previous strategy, with the Fold 7 likely starting at $1,899.99 in the US, a relief for users who want to upgrade without stretching their budgets even further. Design-wise, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature larger screens, an 8-inch main foldable display, and a 6.5-inch cover screen. This upgrade aims to enhance multitasking and media consumption. However, in an effort to slim the device down, Samsung might eliminate the built-in S Pen slot. This means the S Pen could return as an optional accessory, similar to previous models, giving the device a sleeker profile. The foldable is also expected to be thinner than ever before, possibly measuring just 4.7 millimeters when unfolded, thanks to major structural changes. This ultra-thin design could come at the cost of a fully integrated S Pen experience, a trade-off that some users might find significant. On the camera front, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to include a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor, joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. This setup should offer flagship-level photo capabilities, making it a major upgrade from its predecessor. Under the hood, the device will likely be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a 7-core chip built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process. It features 2 high-performance cores running at up to 4.32 GHz and 5 performance cores up to 3.53 GHz. While slightly reducing the number of cores, the chip is optimized for lower heat output, making it ideal for foldables. Despite early speculation about a RAM upgrade, recent leaks suggest the Z Fold 7 will come with 12 GB of RAM across all regions, with a 16 GB variant possibly limited to South Korea and China. Storage options remain the same: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The foldable will also feature Samsung's latest One UI 7 based on Android 15, introducing AI-powered features for a smarter and more personalized user experience. Additionally, the Z Fold 7 is expected to feature a vapor chamber cooling system for better thermal performance, which will be important for sustained high performance during gaming or multitasking. The battery capacity is another area that seems mostly unchanged, with the Z Fold 7 expected to pack a 4,800 mAh battery, slightly higher than the 4,400 mAh cell used in the previous generation. However, improvements in software optimization and the more efficient Snapdragon chip may result in better battery life overall. Display technology is also getting refined. Although Samsung hasn't completely eliminated the crease, new leaks suggest that it is now almost invisible, only showing under certain lighting conditions. Both the inner and outer displays are rumored to offer 120 Hz refresh rates, with peak brightness reaching up to 2,600 nits, providing excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Another notable upgrade is improved audio. The Z Fold 7 is said to include enhanced loudspeakers for richer, clearer sound, which pairs well with the device's multimedia capabilities. Meanwhile, Samsung may be reducing its foldable production target, planning to manufacture only around 5 million units of the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 combined, down from the previous goal of 10 million. This decision reflects a broader trend in the industry, with some manufacturers scaling back or canceling foldable models altogether. In related news, Samsung is rumored to be working on a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, expected to launch at around $799. This move could make foldable smartphones more accessible to a broader range of users. There's also speculation about a new trifold device, possibly called the Galaxy G Fold, which would offer a tablet-like experience that fits in your pocket, an exciting potential expansion of Samsung's foldable lineup. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a highly refined and capable foldable device. With a slimmer design, powerful hardware, a cutting-edge camera system, and improved software experience, it could very well be one of the most impressive smartphones of 2025. If you're a fan of foldable technology, this might be the device to watch. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos covering tech trends, gadgets,